This video is about techniques for showing that problems are undecidable. We did the first proof that there are undecidable problems, and this proof was quite tedious, was quite long and complicated. Although the problem itself was quite easy. So for more difficult problems, it might be much more difficult to find a proof. And there's actually a technique to derive these proofs. And this technique is called reduction. And before we go into the details, I will give a culinary overview, culinary introduction. Culinary introduction. In programming, in computer science, we usually try not to reinvent the wheel. So in programming, what we often do is we reuse code, or we adapt algorithms. So we reduce or adapt algorithms and code. And the advantage is that it's easy, and we know that the program we are reusing, in the best case, works. And the idea is, by reusing it, to actually create something new. And you do more or less the same when making pizza. Assume, for example, you have no real idea how to make pizza, but you have somehow an algorithm for pizza margherita. Once you have this algorithm, it's quite easy to adapt it to, let's say, an algorithm for pizza bacon. Because you can simply, to go from here to there, you simply add bacon. On the other hand, if you, for some reason, have pizza bacon, you bought it in the shop, but you would like to have pizza margherita, you can remove the bacon. So once you have this, you can derive this one, and if you start with pizza bacon, you can derive pizza margherita. And there are many other pizzas that you can actually do by this technique. For example, pizza triple cheese. Works the same way, triple cheese. We already have cheese on pizza margherita, so we only have to add double cheese. To go back, we simply remove it. So the idea is, once we have an algorithm for one of these problems, we can modify the algorithms to new applications. If we have pizza bacon and we would like to get pizza triple cheese, remove the bacon. Add double cheese. And you will be, it will be easy for you to figure out what you have to do to get from pizza triple cheese to pizza bacon, of course. So the idea is that once we have one algorithm, we modify it to solve different problems. And the point here is that this need not be the most optimal algorithm. It just needs to work. So this works, but apparently it's not optimal. But doesn't matter. Not optimal. But about an optimal or ideal algorithm, we don't care at this point. So the whole idea is now in the following videos that we would like to modify algorithms to use them for special problems.